Good day, everyone. Just coming up to one of my, I don't know, I really like this road coming up. It's Daley Road. I've been down here before, but I think with all the leaves changing color, I want to come back here and just do a tour. It's not that long of a drive for the road, but we'll just go along. And I don't know, hopefully you'll like it. So here we are. This is part of the trail system in Ontario, apparently. What? I don't know, it should be a nice little drive. I see there's a car down there, which is unusual. Something coming up. Yeah, it is a car. And he's giving her. Thanks. There, that was nice. He pulled over for me and everything, so that's awesome. And here we go into some forest area, some trees there. Should be nice. Oh, big hole there. It has rained here in the previous few weeks and stuff, so you end up getting some dips and holes in the road. Like, I don't know, you can't really see them on camera, but something to pay attention to again. I've probably mentioned it before in other videos. Sometimes if it does rain a lot, you have to be extra careful on some of these little roads, because you'll actually get like a wash, sort of like a, well, not a full washout of the road, but if the road is, say, going uphill or downhill, the water might carve a little track in there, and you know, on a bike can be a problem. Of course, if you're on an ATV, not as much of a problem normally, but something to just keep in mind. Yeah, I like this road. It's pretty comfortable to drive on, and usually no traffic. Well, you might see one other vehicle or two maybe, but that's the first time, no, that's the second time I've seen a vehicle on here. There's actually a couple houses along here, so of course they have to drive on here because, well, there's a house there and a big old dog. Oh, there's another car. Huh. It is a holiday today, so maybe people are out and about. If someone waves, I always have to say hello, even though they can't hear me. So I'm just kind of talking to myself. If you hear me go, hello, I don't know. Habit. The other nice thing about driving on these smaller roads like this, with the trees on each side, it's actually a bit of a breeze out today, but there's almost no wind in here. You can actually see the top of the trees up there, maybe in the camera moving, but down here there's very little wind, which is kind of nice. colors up there. Isn't it nice in here? I really like this time of year. I'm not boiling hot either, so in the summer it was well above, well, in Fahrenheit anyway, well above 100, with humidity at, you know, some crazy level. I had a guy visiting me in the middle of summer. I think it might have been August, and he has been down to a few different tropical regions, and he says, you know, it is hotter here than in the tropics. And I think the reason is because mostly, you know, probably island type resort things, you are usually near the ocean, and I think that helps moderate things. Probably get a bit of a breeze. Here it just gets really hot and super humid, and that's all there is to it. So it was almost unbearable at times. My motorcycle jacket, and I'm not even kidding, like, and it might sound kind of gross. Oh, there's Mr. Chipmunk. It might sound kind of gross, but it would be like, it'd weigh like 10 pounds heavier than when I first put it on. Yeah, it was kind of disgusting, but you kind of have to still wear some gear, because even if you're going slow and, you know, on some of these dirt roads, like, you could, you know, the tire could come out front or back, and, you know, even a slow speed thing is gonna hurt you if you're not wearing anything. I don't know, I just remember back when I was a kid driving my bicycle. I think I wiped out a couple times, and yeah, what you do is just end up, obviously you're not going that fast on a bicycle, but yeah, you just end up with a bunch of grime and rocks embedded in your skin, and it hurts a lot. So that's why, even if it's hot out, I still put on at least wear jeans and a half decent jacket. There, that's my lessons for today, kids. All right. Yeah, this road's kind of neat. It has a little, you know, some twisty turns and some little bit of hill stuff. Part of the road's fairly straight. Get a little bit of speed going here. Except I think there's an intersection coming up here that I have to slow down for. This road is called Naffin Road, so it's an intersection. So that was Naffin Road and Daley, which is what's wrong. Sorry, I have to slow down for these corners. I'll probably go pretty fast around them, but you know, if there's a car coming, I need some time to, you know, figure things out. This road here, this section is actually a little bit wider than the last part. This is good enough for like 1.5 cars, so shouldn't be any issues. It's an old barn, and there's someone's house there. There's an old, it's still in use, this little shack here. They actually have a horse they sometimes apparently keep in there. Kind of peeked in there one day, and yeah, there's all this stuff there for the horse. Little bridge here, little creek, and it's running. A little running creek. I think I have to turn left at the top of this hill. Yes. Okay, so what road are we going on to here? Wickham Road? I'm not sure if I've been... I must have been on this one before, I don't know. I do know there's a stop sign coming up here apparently. I don't know why a grandfather clock was sitting against that guy's right at the end of his driveway. I don't know if he's giving it away or what. Okay, now this is Hogsback Road. This will be my journey on. Or what's this turn into? So this is Hogsback, but I think we're turning. Okay, we're gonna be on here for a bit. No, now we're on Tyner Road. Hogback and Tyner. I don't believe I've been on this road before. Surface is nice. So we're on Tyner Road, and it looks like we're going to be turning left up here at Moneymore.